Do you know that Moodle Forum activity can supercharge online learning? If not, don't worry, we're here to spill the secrets in this video. But before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button to stay in the loop. So we are about to dive into forum activity in Moodle, which enables educators to facilitate meaningful interactions and foster engagement among students. In this video, we will explore what the forum activity is, how it's commonly used, and introduce 4 alternative ways to leverage forums for better engagement. Moodle Forum is an asynchronous communication tool that allows students and instructors to engage in discussions and share thoughts, ideas, and information. It mimics the traditional classroom discussion but in an online environment. The forum is a versatile tool that can be adapted to various teaching and learning scenarios. Indeed, forum is not something new and innovative, and moreover, there are common patterns of its usage. For example, forums are mostly used for general discussions and the Q&A sessions. Instructors usually create discussion topics and the students can post their thoughts, questions, and responses. Another commonly used way is for announcements, when teachers share important news about the course. It's like a bulletin board where you find updates, reminders, and event notices. And finally, use of social forums where students can interact informally, build a sense of community, and discuss non-course related topics. It's like a virtual cafe where you can have informal chats with your peers. What if we approach using forums creatively, going beyond these 3 traditional ways? Let's explore how we can engage students in an online setting. So, number 1, peer review. Let's imagine that as a final assignment, students have to submit a research proposal. At the same time, you want your learners to be able to provide constructive feedback and demonstrate their ability to critically assess the quality of research and argumentation. So, peer review tasks will be handy for you. Instead of sending each other papers back and forth, you can set this up in forum activity. So, let's go to my laptop to see how we can do that. First, we go to our page, make sure that your edit mode is on. Next, add an activity or resource, pick a forum. Let's name it as a peer feedback session. In the description part, you can share instructions or a list of students who are reviewing whom. Here you see forum type. When you click, you have a drop-down menu. Select each person posts one discussion. This way, each student can share their drafts and the other students can leave feedback in the form of a reply. This is also available for groups. Number 2, ice-breaking activities. Imagine you are starting a new class or group and you want everyone to get to know each other. If you want learners to know their peers before they come to an online or face-to-face classroom, you can arrange a forum for them to say hi, tell others about themselves, or answer fun questions. I've got a new video coming up on different ice-breaking activities, and if you want to know more about it, just hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. So let's go back to my laptop. So as usual, we follow the add an activity, pick forum route. Let's name it introduction. Again, in the description part, you can write your instruction. And as a forum type, choose Q&A forum. Fill in the subject and your message. Good part of this is that the learners can see other responses only after they respond first. And watch this video until the end because there are a few bonus tips for you. Now let's move on to our third idea, weekly reflection. Imagine that you are teaching a 6-week long course. To make sure that everyone is really taking part, you can arrange a weekly reflection. For that, you can use the same Q&A forum to encourage learners to complete it on time. In the discussion locking settings, you can choose a specified period. This will close forum threads after the assigned timeline. Reflection encourages active engagement with the course material. It may reinforce learners' content understanding and help solidify key concepts. For example, they can share what was the key takeaway or what was new for them. If you have any other ideas of integrating reflection, please feel free to share your opinion in the comment section. And finally, collaborative learning. This is another effective way to engage students and promote active learning. You can easily create a space for learners where they can participate in debates, gather their own knowledge repository, or even exchange experiences. For this, you just choose a standard forum displayed in a blog-like format. This type allows learners to start or join any discussion topic whenever they want. For example, a student can ask what are the techniques they use to stay focused or productive, and the peers can share research-based techniques they've been using to stay focused. With collaborative learning, you can get as creative as possible. And if you want to learn more about collaborative learning, subscribe to this channel to stay tuned. A new video will come soon. So now we came to our bonus part. There are a few things you should take into account while integrating a forum activity. First, decide how involved you want to be in the forum. Do you want to lead the way, or do you want your students to take charge and they make the forum their own space? Second, consider whether the forum should complement your in-person classes or have a life as a separate learning hub. Third, be ready to pitch in when needed. If students are shy and talk little, your contributions can help get the discussions going. If the conversation starts going off track, guide the discussion back. Fourth, define your roles as the discussion progresses. Will you be an active participant, a facilitator, or an observer? Tip number 5, allow students to take control of the discussion. Encourage them to summarize what's been said, suggest new discussion topics, and help shape the forum's direction. Considering these points, you can make the most out of your forum, fostering a dynamic and engaging learning environment. So that's it for today. If you have any ideas or how to diversify forum activities, share them in the comment section. Thanks for watching these videos. To get the new ideas for your course, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button, and see you in the next video.